Governors in both Carolinas are taking new actions to keep people healthy. North Carolina has ordered utility companies not to shut off services for those who cannot pay their bill. There are nearly 1,500 cases statewide. 8 people have died. And in South Carolina, the governor ordered all non-essential businesses to close tomorrow, including concert venues, racetracks, sporting venues, among others. There are more than 1,000 cases statewide and 22 deaths, including one person now in York County. And the state announced that death today, but we don't know anything else about that patient. Local first responders were already pushing for more information about cases. They claim the state is withholding critical details. South Carolina reporter Greg Suskin spoke to the York County Sheriff, who's been outspoken about this.
Sheriff Kevin Tolson here has been very outspoken about what he says is a frustrating and baffling position that DHEC has taken not to release specific information about where COVID-19 cases are. He says that puts the public and first responders at greater risk.
Every little piece of information that our first responders can have to keep them safe is critical.
York County Sheriff Kevin Tolson says they're not getting any information. There are more than 40 positive cases of COVID-19 in York County, but first responders only know what we know, the number of cases in the county. They feel like deputies, officers, firefighters, and EMTs should know where people who test positive live.
We're not asking for name, we're not asking for gender, we're not asking for race, we're not asking for anything simply but the address of the individual who may have tested positive.
York County dispatchers are already asking a slew of new questions to every 911 caller, trying to get as much information to first responders before they arrive on scene. Those questions are to protect those who will rush to the scene and handle the emergency. In a statement to Channel 9, DHEC said this about releasing more details to workers in the emergency field. As requested by county officials on March 27th, DHEC began providing zip codes with positive cases to county officials and will continue to do so. The amount of information DHEC provides publicly is limited, particularly in cases that occur in small or other close-knit communities where even basic pieces of information could identify an individual. Tolson says law enforcement didn't ask for zip codes and more needs to be released.
We are pleading for you to release that information to our first responders so that we can remain as safe as possible.
DHEC has been confronted on this issue by the State Sheriff's Association, Municipal Association, the Coroners Association, and also others who are asking for an address on where these cases are just for their own employees, but not to be released to the public. Back to you.